Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Tesco Mobile Pay as you go, not working, balance, bundle and APN settings. Expired credit slash bundles, local O2 network mask outages or incorrect APN internet settings are the causes for this error. Fixes are check balance by calling 4488, toggle airplane mode on slash off, and restart your device. Ensure the active APN is set to tescomobile.com for mobile data to work. Fix 1. Check your balance and bundles. Check via text. Send the text message balance to 282 for free. You will receive an automated text showing your current top-up balance and remaining bundle allowances. Check via the app. Open the official Tesco mobile app to view your remaining data, minutes, and text instantly in usage section. Top up and add bundles. If you are out of credit, use the app to top up with a debit slash credit card or Apple slash Google Pay. Then select add bundle to activate your monthly allowance. Fix to troubleshoot your network connection. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to force your phone to reconnect to the nearest mast. Restart your device. Power your device completely off and back on to clear temporary software glitches. Next, reinsert the SIM. Power off your phone, remove the SIM tray, clean the SIM card gently with a dry cloth and insert it securely back into the slot. Fix 3. Check for local O2 network outages. Tesco Mobile piggybacks entirely on the O2 network. If O2 masts in your area are undergoing maintenance, your service will fail. Visit the official O2 network status checker online to see if there is an active outage or scheduled maintenance in your postcode. Fix 4. Update Tesco Mobile APN settings. For Android devices, go to Settings, then go to Connections, then go to Mobile Networks, and tap on Access Point Names. From there, click on Add or Plus to create a new APN. Now enter the following official Tesco Mobile details. Name Tesco Mobile, APN Tesco-mobile.com, username Tesco WAP, password, MMSC Tescomobile.com, MMS proxy 193.113.200.195, MMS port 8080, APN type default MMS. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Save, and tap the circle next to the new Tesco Mobile APN to activate it. For iOS devices, iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to Settings, then go to Mobile Service or Cellular, then go to Mobile Data Network. Now under the Mobile Data section, enter tescomobile.com in the APN field and leave the username and password blank. Fix 5. Quick Network Reset. Toggle Airplane Mode. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to force your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. Next, restart your phone. Power your device completely off and back on to refresh the system network credentials. Next, reset network settings. Go to settings, then go to system, then tap on reset option and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.